Here's a little story called Astronauts. It talks about astronauts and what they do, what their job is. So here's two astronauts. You can color this book. You can read this book anytime you want. It's yours to keep. This one's called Astronauts. Astronauts are people who travel in space. Astronauts get to space in space shuttles. Astronauts have to be healthy. They exercise and eat healthy food. There is very little gravity in space. Astronauts float around instead of walking. I wonder how fun it would be to float around. Astronauts wear spacesuits and helmets. They give astronauts oxygen and protect them from cold and hot temperatures. Astronauts are scientists. They study many different things while in school. Today, astronauts for many different countries work on International Space Station. The International Space Station orbits around the Earth. And that's what they do. Bye, friends.